Water, what do we really know about it? Some scientists say it seeded the earth from meteorites, while others say it came up from within the earth's mantle. Fondly known as the rebel element, water defies both physics and gravity. It expands when it freezes and makes its way upwards through tree trunks. Water is mentioned 722 times in the Bible, more than faith, worship, and love. The Quran says we have created every living thing from water, and the Upanishads say the whole universe is made up of water. All beings are made up of water. When we look at a water analysis, we only learn about what water holds. But what do we learn about water itself? Does it have a spirit or a mind? Does it have the ability to store memory? My name is Veda. I'm a water researcher from New Zealand, specializing in crystallography. Over the last decade, I've been studying water in its state of creation, the phase between liquid and ice, and I've discovered something extraordinary. Water appears to intelligently respond to human consciousness. It uses its building blocks of ice to design recognizable pictographs, enabling it to share its messages or acknowledgement back to us in picture form. Have you noticed a little sailboat appearing in the ice? The influence was the thought of a sailboat. My first experience of this phenomenon was when I projected the thought of my hand into a petri dish of water, froze it, pulled it out, and in the architecture of the ice was a hand. I then froze some seawater, and an image of a fish appeared. I now have over 40,000 photos of water responding this way. Here are a few examples showing the influence on the right and the ice response on the left. I inspire water in many ways, including thoughts, music, media, words, photos, and emotions. I've even spoken to water and received written responses. The photos you're seeing now were all taken on my iPhone, not altered or photoshopped. They were designed by water and crystallized in ice. So what does this mean? Could the ancients and indigenous be right? Could water really be a living being?
I'm sure that there are other healing waters around the world. I just haven't yet been introduced to them, but they will appear, I'm sure. I wouldn't be surprised if there's one in Scotland. So water didn't used to be called water, it was called the waters, especially in Old English times. The waters was a reference to water of which was holy and sacred. When you think about how we talk about water, the headwaters, the mouth of the river, your playing small does not serve the world. There is nothing enlightened about shrinking so that people won't feel insecure around you. We are all meant to shine, as children do. We were born to make manifest the glory of God that is within us. It's not just in some of us, it's in everyone. And as we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others.